Do you have sisters?
Yeah, I have sisters.
Where are they?
They are in Zimbabwe.
I don't know why as I'm praying for you, I keep on hearing Beauty. Beauty is like it's a name. It's like someone by the name of Beauty. So
it's my young sister from my father.
It's your young sister?
Yeah.
I need to pray for her.
Prophecy time with Prophet Siphamandla Horo.
Yes, please tell me your name and where you are calling me from.
My name is 𝑻𝑯𝑬 𝑬𝑵𝑮. I'm calling in Cape Town.
Oh, you are in Cape Town?
Yes.
Yes, all right. What is it that you want God to do for you?
What I only want God to do for me is to open up all my doors. To be opened, all things which are not going well to go well. Including in my family, to just look after my family and just to succeed in all what I am doing.
I hear you. Are you married?
Yes.
Where is your wife?
She's here. We are together here.
Oh, let me see. I want to greet her.
Okay.
Hello, Prophet.
Good morning, Mama. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm well. The Lord is good. I'm happy to see your faces.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. I don't know why when I look at you people, I'm hearing a cry of a child.
Yeah, we have a baby, a girl baby, which is 8 months. We have a small baby.
How old is the child?
8 months.
8 months. It's 8 months.
Yeah.
Yes, I need to pray for your child. As I will be praying for you, I want to include that child in prayers as well. The Lord is ministering to me concerning this child.
Okay.
Do you understand? And then even for you, it's by the grace of God that you manage to carry that child, because what the enemy was seeking to do was to tie your womb. Do you understand? So
yeah, I understand.
Yes, I'm gonna pray for you people, but I don't know why the Lord is pressing so strong for me to pray for your child. It's like because what I'm picking up as I'm talking to you, Mama, as I'm saying, we thank God that your child, you gave birth successfully, your child, but I'm seeing that there's a spirit that was attacking you so that you do not bear. Actually, they didn't want you to bear that child. Do you understand? Like this thing, you just want to, sacrifice children. You just want to sacrifice children.
Okay. I think it's like I'm diabetic. So yeah. So they have to take me to a big hospital so that I can deliver there. So it was such a miracle also, because where I delivered there, I have to be putting on machine so that I can deliver this child.
Yes. As I'm saying, as I look at you people, this spirit that I'm talking about, it wants to sacrifice kids. Do you understand? It wants to sacrifice children. The way this spirit operates, actually, it wants to sacrifice a child in the womb before the child even comes out. So as I'm saying, I'm seeing the grace of God for you to give birth to that child successfully. So it shows that God is with you. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you have sisters?
Yeah, I have sisters.
Where are they?
They are in Zimbabwe.
I don't know why as I'm praying for you, I keep on hearing Beauty. Beauty is like it's a name. It's like someone by the name of Beauty. So
it's my young sister from my father.
it's your young sister.
Yeah.
I need to pray for her. Is there a way? Do you still have a contact?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, we need to pray for your sister. I don't know, because I'm looking at your sister and I'm seeing like a grave. Do you understand? So we need to pray for her so that the enemy doesn't negotiate her into something. But let's make an arrangement, even if it's tomorrow, because the Lord is ministering to me concerning this person. Beauty.
Yeah, it's my young sister from my father's side.
Yes. I'm praying for her, because her direction, her path, I need to pray for the Lord to keep her in a right path. Because I'm seeing that the enemy is like it's digging a grave for this sister of yours.
Amen.
Do you understand?
Amen. And I was like, my son yesterday, he had a dream which I didn't. I was not. I didn't understand. Also,
He had a dream.
He dreamed. Yeah, he dreamed digging a grave yesterday.
He dreamed digging a grave yesterday.
Yeah.
You see now, and I'm talking about this matter. This is beauty. This is beauty. Yes.
So what can I do, Prophet?
The best thing that you can do, make sure that you connect me with this sister. I need to pray for her. Let's make an arrangement by tomorrow. Make sure that she has enough data or she's connected to Wi-Fi. Around this time, I'm gonna call her so that I can minister to her as well.
Amen.
Yes.
Thank you.
So the Lord loves you people. Do you understand?
Amen.
Yes. You are blessed. The Lord is with you. He's fighting for you right now. You are coming back with a testimony. The favor of God is upon you. Bless you. Bless you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Amen.
Bless you too.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.